tambour door with bent track. Welcome on the channel. Today pink, it should be done long ago, but I have no mood to do this. It's more for entertainment. You can do it. You can copy me, but it's not perfect. We try to bend these tracks ourselves. Of course, in theory it's simply, in practice not. Was a few not perfect results on the way, but right now, let's say, I know how to do it. I know from the beginning, but you know, it's a difference between practice and theory, like usually, because when you buy it in a shop, usually they give you something like pieces or spiral or something like that, or just if you wanna do something different, you have to bend it. Of course, you can order it probably, and of course, when you do it yourself, it never will be perfect like from the shop. But let's say I have to accept it. What else I can do? Bend this track, you have to feel this groove. Other way it will collapse. So I found a piece of flexi ply. It's such a plywood. Probably you can do it with standard plywood, maybe even better. I don't know, I not try. And I chop such a narrow pieces. More narrow better from one point of view, but from second it starts like a splitting, so I think this is minimum what I can do. Okay, and here I have template with shape. So let's try it. First I mark these two. Later on I wanna know where I have to hit. So let's say up. It should be filled without any space, any gap. So to tell the truth, these two plies are bit thicker. Where I wanna hit. Okay. In my case, I have to hit around 40 seconds. It depends probably on the track and on the heat gun. Too little. The best is do it from the first time, because later on always create the problem. And right now we have to wait till will be completely cold. I just okay. And right now I have to bend the second section. I tried earlier, but if I try to bend here, not without this block, this piece of track going up, so the problem will be we have to do it quickly. And again around 40 seconds. And again we're waiting to be completely cold. Let's say ready. Of course have to be chopped somewhere here and bit force when I fit into the cabinet, but it's